This what number is this, Mahi?
1.
Yes. Then how many buttons you have to put here?
1.
Yeah. How many buttons you have to put here?
1.
Yes. Very good. Wow. And what the color of the button?
Purple button.
Yes. The next number is?
2.
Yes. And how many buttons you have to put here? How many buttons?
2.
Yes. Yes, put it here. Now one more. One more. The next number is?
3.
Yes. Then how many buttons you have to put here? How many buttons?
3.
Very good. Okay. Now take 3 buttons and put it here. Put all the 3 buttons here. Yes. Very good. Now the next number is?
4.
And how many buttons do you need here?
4.
Yes.
1.
Yes.
Mama, I 4.
Yes. Put 4 buttons. Oh, it's okay, no problem.
It's okay. Up.
Hmm. Very good.
All button.
Yes.
3.
You need one more. Any color you can pick. It's okay. Wow! Good job, Mahi. Very good. Show me. Wow!
See. What number is
You tell me.
5,
This,
6,
this,
7,
yeah.
8,
Then,
9.
oh wow, great job. What color is this?
Orange.
Okay. Here, where are the orange circles? Yes. Now, you count how many circles are there? How many orange circles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow. Yes. And here, where is 5? In this line. Yes. Now, what you have to do is,
6.
see, now you have to match like this. Okay? So it's 5. To bring. See? Very simple. Now the next number is?
6.
Yes. And what's the color?
Purple.
Wow. In this line, where are all the 6 purple circles? Yes. Count how many purple circles?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. And where is number 6? Yes. Then make a line. Yes. Very good. And now the next number. What's the next number? Yes. What's the color of the 7? Yes. And you need to find where are all the blue circles. Yes. Count how many circles are there. Count the blue circles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. And where is the number 7? Yes. Now make a line. Match it. Match it. Wow. Very good. My next number is?
8.
Yes. And what's the color of the 8?
Green.
Yes. Now you have to do. Yeah, very good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, great job.
Circles.
Yes. 8 green circles. Now match it here. Okay, I will help you.
No.
Now you have to find the red circles. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circles.
Yes, yes, 9 circles red. Now match it. Match it.
For watching. Subscribe, share.